Welcome to Geezers, Gadgets, and Gizmos, the show where we test the stuff that you actually need to live smarter, safer, and with a little more dignity, and sometimes with a little more fun as well. Now, today's episode's kind of special because our guest is a cat. But this cat, as you can hear in the background, doesn't scratch, doesn't bite, doesn't cough up mysterious hairballs in the middle of the night. And most importantly, this cat doesn't need a litter box, vet visits, flea collars, or poop bags. This, my friends, is the joy for all companion pet, the animatronic Tuxedo Cat from the wonderful folks at Ageless Innovation. Now, you may be rolling your eyes and you're about to say, but Garrison, it's just a toy. Well, stick with me because this toy is quietly becoming one of the most meaningful companion devices for seniors, those with Alzheimer's or dementia, hospital patients, and those who are living independently. Let's talk about something serious for a moment. Loneliness is not just a feeling. It's actually a serious medical risk. Seniors, those living alone, in assisted living, memory care, and hospitals, experience a profound sense of isolation. Now, real pets can help, but they're not always very realistic. Real pets need a feeding schedule, vet appointments, caring, cleaning, and a level of cognitive and physical engagement that, well, most seniors don't really have. That's where animatronic companions like our buddy here, Tuxedo, can be of real value. This cat provides comfort, sensory engagement, emotional reassurance, and something deeply human, connection. And it does it without judgment, without responsibility, and without peeing on your favorite rug. This cat has soft touch fur. It responds to motion and touch. It moves its head and paws. It even lets out gentle, realistic meows. And yes, it purrs. And that purring, it's not a gimmick. Studies show that rhythmic sensory input like purring can reduce anxiety, calm agitation, lower stress responses, and improve mood and engagement. That's huge for people living with Alzheimer's and dementia. This cat doesn't confuse, it comforts.
Let's talk about where this cat really shines. Hospitals, patients waiting, recovering, anxious, alone. This cat becomes a calming presence when human contact is limited. Independent living. For seniors who want companionship but don't want responsibility, this is independence with comfort. Memory care and dementia support. This is where the magic happens. Caregivers report. Reduced agitation, fewer anxiety episodes, improved engagement, easier redirection during difficult moments. And here's the big one. Caregiver relief. When someone is calmer, caregivers can focus on other needs, reduce stress, avoid unnecessary medication escalation. That's not just helpful, that's transformational. The pros and cons. Let's keep it real because that's what we do here. The pros. Extremely realistic sensory experience. Calming and comforting for seniors. Excellent for Alzheimer's and dementia care. No feeding, cleaning, or maintenance. Safe for any living situation. Helps reduce loneliness and anxiety. Emotionally engaging without cognitive overload. The cons. It's not cheap, but far less than ongoing pet care. Requires batteries. not meant to replace human interaction. Some users may need gentle introduction. Not ideal for seniors who dislike animals. And it will not have kittens. The bottom line, this is not a toy for everyone, but for the right person, it can be life-changing.
What I love about this product and the company itself, Ageless Innovation, is their philosophy. They believe that play is a human need and something that we don't outgrow. For example, joy doesn't retire, comfort doesn't age out, and connection never ceases to matter. This cat responds, it engages, it connects. So if you're someone who's taking care of, say, an aging parent, a loved one with dementia, someone living alone, or think about this, maybe even yourself one day, the Animatronic Tuxedo Cat gets the official Geezers, Gadgets, and Gizmos thumbs up. Or maybe more appropriately, I should say, paws up.